Let us do this question. This is from all our previous year questions only. This is coming in 2003 again. The adjacent graph, quickly write down also. The adjacent graph shows the extension of a wire of length 1 meter suspended from the top of a roof at one end and with a load W connected to the other end. The cross-sectional area of the wire is 10 power minus 6 meters square. Calculate from the graph the Young's modulus of the material of the wire. So there is a graph that is given to you. On x-axis there is W, which is load, is also called load. On y-axis it is W delta L in 10 to the power of 4 minus 4 meters. The graph is like this. Maybe I should teach on a projector or something. This question you don't have to write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 80. This is the question that is given to you. Options are 2 into 10 power 11, all in Newton per meter square. Options are 2 into 10 power 11 Newton per meter square. Option 2, 2 into 10 power minus 11. Option 3, 3 into 10 power 12. Option D, 2 into 10 power 13. You have to be a little fast in writing. I cannot go very slowly. Okay. Do you want to give a try this question? Okay. Just take a couple of minutes. I will pause it. So, in this question, you are asked to find out what? Why? So, you will see one approach. Let us see, we are getting that now. Whenever you get a question on graph, you have to look for the specific values. Okay? This value corresponds to this value. Am I right? And he is asking you to find out what? He is asking you to find out y. So, write the equation of y. Y is equal to Fn upon A delta L. Right? Am I right? Yes. So, if I pick this value, 80, the corresponding value is 4 into 10 power minus 4 delta L. This is delta L. Delta L means change in length. So 80 into, let us just try and see. 80 into length. Length is given as 1 meter. Read the question. Length is given as 1 meter. Divided by area. It is 10 power minus 6. And delta L is 4 into 10 to the power minus 4. Am I right? 4 goes 20 times. So 20 into 10 to the power of, this is minus 10. It goes to top, it becomes plus 10. 20 into 10 power 10 or 2 into 10 power 11. Because this is a linear variation, you can check with some other value also. You may get the same answer. Let us see. Suppose I pick this value. Wait. The graph is linear variation. Again, let us find out. Why is it going? It's not necessary why you have picked only this value, sir. If I pick another value, let us see if my logic is correct. So y is equal to 20 into L1 divided by, this is 10 power minus 6 area into 1 into 10 to the power minus 4. You can see very well here. Here also you are getting the same answer. Okay. So this is approach 1. This is 1. Now let us, because whenever you get this type of graph questions, so the graph questions basically try to want you to identify what is the slope of the graph. Alright. So you take this equation y is equal to Fl by A delta L. Here F value he has given as W. Here F is W. Okay. You may be thinking what is this W in that question. This F is that load. You know what is load? I told you that you take a bar, you pull it, it's basically called a load. Okay? If further you are studying civil engineering, all these things, you will be quite using this term load. Okay? So it's more of an engineering term. So this is double. Alright. So from this, can I get delta L? Delta L is equal to W into L by AY. Can I write it like this? Can I write it like this? See, from this graph, what am I getting actually? This is my slope. I hope you know how to find out slope. It is y by x. Difference in y by difference in x. Okay. So here the slope is n is equal to, if I take from this value to this value, delta L. Delta L is how much? 4 minus 1. 3. Are you getting what I am saying? You should know how to find out the slope. Slope means delta y by delta x. Delta y means not y. What is there in the y and what is there in the x that you need to see. So delta y is 4 minus 1, 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 divided by 80 minus 20, which is 60. Okay, this is what is your slope. Now here, delta L is equal to this. Okay, which is basically, it is delta L by W. Am I right? This is basically delta L by W. So you try to write here delta L by W. Delta L by W will be equal to L upon AY. Would you agree? Would you agree? So delta L upon W is given as, you have found out. Let us solve this. 20, 1 upon 20 into 10 to the power minus 4. Right? So delta L by W is 1 upon 20 into 10 to the power minus 4. What are you trying to find out? You are trying to find out y. So L is 1, area is 10 power minus 6 into y. So y is equal to, this goes this side. Understanding what I am saying? This will come this side. So in the denominator it will be 10 power minus 10. Clear? Or it is 20 into 10 to the power of 10 or 2 into 10 to the power of 11. This is second approach. Okay? I come to two approaches. How to solve graph questions. This is more correct approach. This is working only when you know the specific values. Linear variation. Okay? Good?